Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Rosa Maria Francia, 31 years old, and I'm married. I have one child, and I am a high school graduate. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait, and my duties and responsibilities there are taking care of the children, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and ironing the clothes.
Good day to you, Miss Rosa Maria. How are you right now?
I'm very much fine, Sir, Madam.
What are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
It should be honest, patient, and loyal, hardworking.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of newborn baby?
By feeding him in the right time, taking a bath, play with them, and treating them as my own child.
What if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I'm willing to say sorry and promise to not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employers?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my family and for the future of my son. And I promise to finish my contract in 2 years.
Thank you, Miss Rosa Maria, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.